part 7 of our 10-part series on smoke alarm upgrades, everything you need to know before you do it. And this one is about price, because it's often one of the biggest choosing factors for people that just, let's face it, good not cheap, cheap not good. You do get what you pay for. And if you go for the cheapest brands, go to the local hardware store, perhaps grab them out of there, just be aware that you're not going to get trouble free. You're not going to get a long life out of them. And generally, you're better off to pay that little bit extra on something like this, especially we're talking about life safety. You want to know that that thing is going to work when it's meant to, and that it's not going to be going off when it's not meant to. So just consider, cheap is always not the best to go for. Now, in saying that, the brands that we use with 10-year warranties and that, they're not that much more. But we're certainly not going to be the cheapest in the market. We are going to be the best installers, that's for sure. We're going to put them in the right place first time, or they're free. And we will only use those top 2 or 3 brands. And we choose which one according to the location, because we know which ones work and which ones don't. So don't just think about price. Think about what's the best long-term value for me, and do I want trouble-free service out of these things. So thanks for listening. Speak to you in part 8.